Hi students, this is Viswanath Chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. Now see the important topic, sign substitution reaction. What is meant by sign substitution? This topic is important for IIT mains exam. Okay, see here. Generally substitution reaction means a single atom or group of atoms are substituted by another atom or group of atoms, that is called substitution reaction. This reaction occurs by nucleophiles, that is called nucleophilic substitution, electrophiles, that is called electrophilic substitution reaction. Now, this sign substitution reaction we can observe in case of nucleophilic substitution reaction. What type of compounds participate in sign substitution reaction means aromatic halides. Aryl halides undergo sign substitution reaction. That means nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place by involving aromatic halides. Then we can observe this type of sign substitution reaction. Before going to sign substitution reaction, we have to know intermediate benzene. Benzene means this one. See here. This is benzene structure. This nucleophilic substitution reaction involving sign substitution takes place through the formation of an intermediate benzene. See here, aromatic halides, general formula ARX, undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction, in presence of strong base, like NaNH2 sodamide or KNH2 potassium amide. Aromatic halides undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction in presence of strong base like NaNH2 or KNH2 in liquid ammonia. This type of substitution reaction is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. This reaction takes place through the formation of intermediate benzene. So through the formation of this benzene intermediate, we can observe this nucleophilic substitution reaction in aromatic halides. In these reactions, we can observe sign substitution reaction. Okay, see the example, you can understand more clearly. Chlorobenzene. This is benzene, this is chlorine. Chlorobenzene is treated with sodamide NaNH2 in liquid ammonia. Then we can get two types of products. Those are NH2 plus NH2. This is direct substitution, and this one is sign substitution product. You may get a doubt, what is the difference between sign substitution and direct substitution? Observe these structures carefully. Chlorine is present at this carbon. Here I put asterisk mark. Star mark means this carbon is isotope of the carbon, C14 carbon. In these 6 carbons, 1 carbon is taken as the isotope of the carbon, isotopic carbon atom we take. So at this position, NH2 group is substituted. That product is direct substitution. Or if NH2 is substituted adjacent atom to this carbon atom, that means here, then we can get this one. This is sign substitution. So from this, we can define sign substitution reaction. See here, sign substitution means sign substitution reaction. See the reaction definition. A type of substitution reaction in which the entering group takes place a position on an atom adjacent to the atom to which the leaving group is attached. Generally, substitution means from which atom a group is removed to the same atom entering group is attached. But in this sign substitution, the entering group is attacked at atom adjacent to the atom from which leaving group is attached. See here, chlorine is attached at this position. This carbon is a isotopic carbon, that's why represented by star mark. But here NH2 group is attached to the adjacent atom to this one. This atom is adjacent atom to this group. Actually, in normal substitution reaction, this NH2 is attacked at this position. But here it is attached adjacent atom of this carbon. So this type of substitution reaction is called sign substitution reaction. Now here also same thing. Now see the mechanism. If we observe the mechanism, then we can understand how intermediate benzene is formed in this reaction. See the reactant. Here NaNH2 undergo ionization, then we can get NaNH2 undergo ionization, we can get Na plus and NH2 minus. This NH2 minus acts as a strong base. Strong base means it can readily donate its lone pair of electrons to other substances. So this is the reactant. Now it is attacked by NH2. In this carbon atom at the adjacent position, hydrogen atom is there. These bonding electrons are shifted to this carbon atom. That means H plus is removed. H plus is removed. Then carbene ion is formed. Now these bonding electrons are taken by this chlorine. Then we can get at the same time this negative charge is shifted to this position. Then we can observe this intermediate, that is benzene. Here Cl minus is removed. Okay. The hydrogen atom adjacent to this chlorine, bonding electrons are shifted to this carbon atom, then negative charge is developed. In the next step, these bonding electrons are taken by this chlorine, and at the same time this negative charge is shifted here, then we can get benzene. It is a intermediate compound. It is highly energetic intermediate, that's why it cannot stay longer time, and then it is treated with liquid ammonia. Then what happens? Liquid ammonia means we can get the products in this way. Here NH3. That means these bonding electrons, triple bond electrons are shifted to this carbon atom. Then negative charge developed here. NH3 having lone pair of electrons. See carefully. These triple bonded electrons are shifted to this carbon atom. Negative charge developed at this position, positive charge developed at this carbon atom. Now here nitrogen having lone pair of electrons. So bond is formed between this nitrogen and positively charged carbon atom. Then we can get this type of product. So 4 bonds are formed by nitrogen, then positive charge is developed on this. It is represented by star mark. And another possibility is if these pi electrons are shifted to this carbon atom, positive charge is developed at this position between this carbon atom and nitrogen atom. Bond formation takes place. Then product is this is the product. Okay. Finally, redistribution of hydrogen atoms takes place. From this, one hydrogen atom shifted to this position. In this, from this position to this hydrogen atom shifting takes place. So, a redistribution of hydrogen atoms. Then we can get this product, these products. NH2, and here NH2 is present at this position. So this is direct product, this is sign substitution product. It is obtained 50%, it is also obtained 50%. Okay students.